What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to walk through my strategy on how I've been earning from meme coins without actually trading them. Instead of trading and then losing money by doing so, I focus on creating the coin, launching it on chain, and then making money like that, bro. And in my opinion, bro, deving meme coins is way more profitable than trading. That's exactly why I am making this video, bro. I feel like deving meme coins is untapped and it's so fucking lucrative, so keep watching if you are tired of losing. Do you see my phantom wallet? Yeah, I'm sure. $9.1 million, and this is all from deving meme coins, not by trading, not by doing some bullshit. And that's why I'm making this video, to show you guys how it works. Keep watching. Now, most people in this space don't lose money in meme coins because they cannot spot trends or because they're bad at trading. They lose because they just buy coins and then they get completely liquidated by the dev. Okay, that's the truth. They enter after the excitement is already done, and after that, the person who launched the coin takes advantage of that demand and takes your money basically. And that's exactly why me and a bunch of experienced traders and major KOLs like Orangey and all those people are stepping away from trading and going into deving. It's simply the better option because it's way more profitable. It's simple as that. When you trade meme coins, you could lose your money at any given moment to these coins like this. But if you dev, you are risking nothing. You are launching meme coins for completely nothing, $0, right? You're waiting for buyers, and when the hype is high, you just cash out, and you can do that over and over again. There's a bunch of ways to approach deving, and that's one of them. Now, launching in 2026 has become way more popular, but it's still really lucrative and really untapped. If you go on YouTube and you type how to dev meme coins, I might be one of the only YouTubers posting. It's so untapped. That's exactly why I'm making this video, so keep watching because I'm going to show you everything. And by the way, bro, it's all free. I do not sell a course, and this video is purely for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. I do not condone any financial advice, so please, bro, just do your own research. Now, when someone decides it's time to launch a meme coin, the platform they usually look at is Pump.Fun to dev their meme coins. 95% of devs are all making their coins on Pump.Fun, and that's a fact. It's the most popular name out here. But there's a problem. Pump.Fun is overloaded with tokens. Tokens are created back to back, and most of them fade out almost instantly. If you are still launching here, you are not really building anything. You are just hoping your coin goes viral out of nowhere, which will never happen. And there's a major limitation on top of that. Pump.Fun controls your liquidity pool and takes a cut from your creator fees. So you are losing potential of your own launch from the start. Now, as a dev, the real goal and the main goal that you should focus on is getting your token in front of the random DEX, where real traders and a bunch of liquidity are waiting to buy your coin. Here is where all the volume is resting at. Now, to reach that point, okay, you'll need to launch a meme coin on Pump.Fun, and it will require a $55,000 market cap for that coin. But there's actually a shortcut, and that's exactly why I switched to create Meme.io to launch my coins, because all the coins that are launched through create meme goes directly to Radium. It will skip the entire bonding curve and it will level up to the Radium DEX, reaching thousands of potential traders on the spot. That's why a bunch of people are keeping this website a secret. Now, to make a meme coin, you have two different paths. The first way to make a coin is using the create coin tab. It's the main page, and here is where you can make a custom coin by going on X, going on any social media platform, and looking for a narrative. For example, bro, there's a war going on. That is a really good narrative. Also, there was a couple TikTok memes that went viral. Those are good too. But once you have a narrative, come back to create meme, invent a name, add a quick symbol, then add a quick logo, and then your meme coin is custom made after these steps. But I like to use the second method. I've personally grew my entire portfolio from the copy trending coin strategy. Basically, all these coins right here are all going viral on Pump.Fun. They all have a huge community and a bunch of volume on these coins, which means if you copy a coin here to Radium, well, you have a higher chance of getting a bunch of people onto your coin, and you don't need to look for a custom narrative. You can just copy one here if you are lazy. That's exactly why I vamp coins. Alright guys, now it's time for the best part of this video, and that is doing a live example on how to copy / vamp a coin, and then we'll see how much we can make potentially on this launch. By the end of the video, I will cash out, I will do everything, bro. I am not gatekeeping. Now first of all, make sure your Phantom Wallet is connected, and then click on refresh and look for a coin to copy. I'm going to copy the Memecoin. Click copy the Radium, wait for your Phantom Wallet to pop up, and then ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin should be vamped. Okay, just give it some time. Then boom, now it's time. Well, before we create the liquidity pool, if I go in SoScan, you guys can see that it's minted 12 seconds ago. Everything is working. You guys can go check out the coin for yourself. It's all minted, it's live on the Solana blockchain. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is really simple. It's actually easier to do it than to say it. Now here's where we create the Radium liquidity pool. It's pretty straightforward. Basically, when we create the pool, well, we will own the coins in our wallet. We will have supply before everyone else, and it will launch directly to Radium. Okay, and that is why we that's why we create the liquidity pool. Now for the amount of Memecoins, click on 90%. That will drop 900 million tokens. For the second step, the amount of Solana to pair, that's the first buy, the first transaction in your own coin, which you will be putting. You are not losing anything here, because when you cash out later, all the Solana right here that you put for the supply will come back right to you in your Phantom wallet. I'm going to put 0.3 SOL, click on create pool, wait for your Phantom wallet to pop up real quick, and then ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm or understand, and then confirm. After that, bro, when that is done, click on the refresh button, and then scroll down, and boom, the Memecoin is on live, and your profits are going to be right there. And if you click on the refresh button, well, that will refresh your coin, and then you can see your metrics. For example, right now, within a couple seconds, we're up $160. It's normal that at the beginning it shoots up in profits because a bunch of people are buying in early on the Radium DEX. Now click on view on Photon or Axum to see your coin. Okay, let me go on full screen for a better view of the token. It should be live. Let's go. And as you guys can see, okay, the coin is on live. Bang, a $32 buy. Oh, it's sold. Okay, do not get worried about these big movements. Okay, it will stabilize once a bunch of people buys in. Okay, it's not a big deal. Just wait for more people to see your coin. Okay, more and more people are going to start viewing your coin and then potentially buy in. Okay, just give it some time for it to marinate. Do not get too emotional. Bang, we just got $100 worth of buys. If I had to guess, I think we're up around $200-300. Bang, bro, so many people are buying in. That's exactly what we like to see as devs. Oh my god, bro, more people are buying in. I think we're up like $500 right now, if I had to guess. Okay, that's actually insane. We made this coin for literally $0, and now a bunch of people are buying in. That's exactly why people like Cupsy and Orangey are saying that deving is the new meta. Anyways, I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to marinate and for it to pump. When I come back, we will cash out. I will show you guys how. Alright guys, I am back, and bang, bro, we are up at a $7.7 thousand market cap, and it has only been like a couple minutes. Like, it has been like 5 minutes and it's already up a lot. Now I think I'm going to, dump it. So come back to create meme.io real quick, and then click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see here, bro, we are going to receive around $1.9 thousand. It does change. The coin could go down or higher. So yeah, now click on the minus button really fast. Do 100%, remove liquidity, wait for your phantom wallet to pop up. And then ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm. And boom, bro, that's exactly how you dev a coin and then cash out. But look, if I open my phantom wallet, yes, bro, I received the money, the Solana, I received it in my phantom wallet. Now, bro, do not get me wrong, okay? The results will vary from one to the other. I've seen people make 10k from one coin within minutes. I've seen people make even $100, $20, 50, 0. 2,000, you never know, bro, and that is exactly what makes deving so fun. It's up to you to stay consistent every single day, bro. Create meme.io will be linked in the comments down below in the description. Like, comment, subscribe, and if you want to win 5 Solana like this guy right here, just like, comment, subscribe, and join my Telegram group down below for the full info on the giveaway. And good luck to everyone who enters for this video.